So x by 3 plus 1 by x whole power 5. 5c naught into x by 3 whole to the power of 5 into 1 by x whole power 0 plus 5c1 into x by 3 whole to the power of 5 minus 1 4 into 1 by x whole power of 1 plus 5c2 into x by 3 whole power of 5 minus 2, this is 3 వస్తుంది, into 1 by x whole square plus 5c3 into x by 3 whole to the power of 5 minus 3 2 into 1 by x whole cube plus 5c4 into x by 3 whole to the power of 5 minus 4 1 into 1 by x whole power 4 plus 5c5 into x by 3 whole power 0 into 1 by x whole power 5. That equals to, so this value 1 x by 3 x power 5 by 3 power 5 plus 5c1 value 5 x by 3 x power 4 by 3 power 4 into 1 by x plus 5c2 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 into x cube by 3 cube into 1 by x whole square plus 5c3, so 5c3 5 into 4 into 3 by 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1 into x by 2 whole square, x square by 3 square into 1 by x whole cube plus 5c4 5